Hi, today we are going to make a paper model of a tunnel card of a howling wolf. Welcome to my channel Warsaw Hobbies. This tunnel card has a howling wolf standing on the ledge of a mountain with lots of trees in the background. This tunnel card is very easy to make and it can be presented as a gift. We will require 2 sheets of A4 size paper, 2 pages of printout on A4 size, a steel ruler, PVA glue, empty or dried out ballpoint pen, pincers, paper cutting knife, scissor, masking tape, and if required, specs also. With the help of masking tape, we'll attach the printout of page number 1 to the card paper. We will score out all the fold lines. The dotted lines are for reference only, they shouldn't be cut or scored. Then we will cut out all the cut lines with the help of a paper cutting knife. Here I have taken printout on an ordinary A4 size paper and placed it over the card paper. We can directly take printout on the card paper, but that will show all the print lines on the main card. All the print lines and the text of the instructions will be visible on the tunnel card and that won't look good now. With the help of the pencil, we will write top, bottom, back, A, so that we will have a reference which part will attach where. And later on we can rub these pencil marks. Now we will fold all the fold lines and give it proper crease with the help of some blunt object. And then we will keep it aside. Our box of the tunnel card is now ready. We can now safely discard the printout page. Same steps for page number 2. Attach the printout of page number 2 to the card paper. This card paper can be from 120 to 180 GSM thickness. Paper with more thickness will be difficult to fold, so it's always advisable to use 120 to 180 GSM paper. With the help of an empty or dried up ballpoint pen, we'll score all the fold lines. It's always advisable to cut all the small parts first. A word of caution: paper knives have sharp edges, so we have to be very careful while using them, especially when children are around. When we are not using it, we should slide its blade into its protective sheath. With the help of a pencil, we will write top and bottom on the card paper. When the card is complete, we will erase all these pencil lines. This is the middle layer of the tunnel card. With the help of a pencil, we will write middle on the card paper and an alphabet A on the corner. This alphabet A will be pasted over the alphabet A of the box of the tunnel card. Let us first complete the rectangular stand of the tunnel card. After we have folded all the fold lines, we can safely discard the print page. We will use PVA glue to paste all the parts. The choice of glue is very important. Application of the glue should not mark the paper. The forceps, also called pincers, are very useful to attach parts which are not easily accessible with thumb and fingers. The oval shaped openings will help the light to pass and shine on the layers of the tunnel card. These handmade cards might not be as perfect as the store-bought card. Still, they are much appreciated. You have put a lot of your time, energy, and patience into making one. It also shows your creativity side. Hence, gift of handmade card always carries more weightage. Well, our rectangular stand for the tunnel card is ready now. We will attach the middle layer to the box. While attaching the middle layer, we have to be careful that it's not flipped or upside down. Another way is we can match the alphabet A of the box to the alphabet A of the middle layer. The dotted line at the side of the box will give the exact and the proper position in which the middle layer is to be pasted. The top and the bottom is pasted just like we are closing a box. Congratulations! Our tunnel card is ready for display or to be presented as a gift. We can directly place this tunnel card on the table or paste it on the wall. These oval slots will help the light to shine on the layers of the tunnel card. For this, we will have to attach the rectangular stand. Hope this has inspired you into making one yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.